Hi everyone, my name is Greg. I wanted to make this testimonial video about the Bulletproof Trust package that my family and I purchased from libertyaid.org. Jack McCaig's work and his support, his team, have been vital in creating this trust. Any questions that we had, any concerns, was simply we sent an email out to contact@libertyaid.org, and they answered any questions that we had, and also the several videos on YouTube that Jack has put out to help us understand this process. And really it's very simple, and so we created this trust, and the proverbial weight on my shoulders has been lifted. The fear of not being able to make payments and bills has all been cleared, and now I'm feeling more free, more freedom. And we're going to continue on with Jack's services, getting the debt savior package to help clear any unresolved debt that's on our person's account and on our person's corporation name. So there will be more testimonials as we go through this process of fully, personally and spiritually freeing ourselves. So again, I want to thank Jack and his team and the community of people who are also already have these trust packages and are working on their debt savior package and the corporate credit line. All of these, this community of people have been such a support and such a help to get through this process. So again, thank you, Jack. I honor you and your story and what you're sharing with us and sharing with the world. So check out Jack McCaig's work at libertyaid.org and jackmccaig.com. And thank you, and we'll see you again soon. Peace.